What is up, everybody? You ready for the next project on the channel? Right back in there somewhere. Okay, the old 9230. If you watched the videos over the summer, I pulled the motor and did a complete overhaul. When I had the motor out, we repainted the hood. This tractor, it needs a paint job. I can't stand looking at how she looks. So I have all the decals, I have the paint. We're not going to go all chip foose on this one. It's going to get painted correctly, but I'm going to take the outside 4 rims and tires off, but I'm not taking these hubs off to get the insides off. It's just going to get painted the best I can back there. I'm not going to worry about painting everything up underneath it and whatnot. But I am going to take the roof of the cab off to paint it because all the paint's pretty much chipped off of there. I put about 360 hours on this tractor this year. She's pretty filthy. The cab interior is falling apart. The headliner, when I was chisel plowing, it kept falling down and hit me in the head, so I finally just grabbed it and ripped it out and eliminated it. But I have a cab interior kit for it. That panel under there, I had to take that off because when I recently had it on the grain cart cleaning out grain bins when it was super cold out, that throttle cable froze right there, so I had to take that cover off to use a heat gun to get it unthawed. But she's dirty. It's all packed in with dirt behind the wheels from chisel plowing, and so it's above freezing today. I'm gonna back her outside and start washing because next Monday it's supposed to be like 0 outside, so I'd like to have her cleaned up and pulled into the paint booth before that. So I'll get it washed off and then we'll bring it in and start taking these duals off and start sanding on it. Well, I'm running out of daylight here and the water's starting to freeze as I'm spraying it, so I got a whole bunch of the worst of it blasted off of there, but probably still another half a day or so of washing. So yeah. It's Friday night, so I'm gonna go clean up and we will bring you back tomorrow. All right, guys, we're ready to get going on this thing. Mrs. G can't wait.
I'm trying to wake up.
So she's gonna start doing the cab upholstery, tearing all that out, and I'm gonna start taking the outside duals off.
I just want to get sanding.
She hates scraping cab upholstery out, but whatever. Mrs. G, I was gonna tell our viewers here that I was looking at the analytics on our channel, and 70% of our viewers aren't subbed.
What?
Yeah, 70%. Come on, guys. It doesn't cost you anything. Just hit the sub button. Like, we should have way over 5,000 subs by now. So,
all right, make it a goal.
do us a favor and
pass the word.
Just hit the sub button, like, comment, whatever. All right. I'll get you guys set up and we'll get going.
Right now I have a 1132 because the 7/16 wasn't working and the 5/16 wasn't working.
Better put some air in that tire. Looking things flat.
That's why I hate the freaking interior. Can't reach, I'm too short. Nothing's working and it's falling in my face. Jeez. I have to have this thing down and I can't get around it. Losing shit.
You need Daddy to do it for you?
Yes. nothing is up to Wyatt's standards.
I don't really need to spray anything way up high. I still got to wash the whole thing, but if I take the roof off, it's going to be open up there.
Keep it away from the sky. I figured there was something in between still.
Yeah, there is, but
Not you want to get wet.
this ought to be interesting.
What's that?
Pulling this roof.
Desperately.
Alright, grab it.
Where are we going?
Let's just set it on the ground back there so you can wash it.
That's a hot mess.
Whew. That's good.
Got it?
So Mrs. G is super cleaning these interior metal panels to power wash them. But in our video last weekend of the tour of this shop, I said that Super Clean told me that I could pick somebody to get some free Super Clean. And I picked Jeff Hammonds, and I messaged you, but you haven't reached back out to me. It's been pretty much a week, so I'm going to give one more day for Jeff Hammonds to reach back out to me, and if not, we're going to pick somebody else from the comments on that video of the shop tour. So anyway, we're going to power wash all this stuff up, power wash the rims, and then still got a lot of washing to do on the tractor here. Man, that stuff works pretty good.
Well, that is satisfying.
Yeah. All washing away, and Mrs. G has all the upholstery scraped out. I had to take the little compartment, like little buddy seat out, and then there's another compartment back here. We had to take all that out to change the upholstery behind it. But next video on this, we will be putting the cab interior back in it and have it in the paint booth, and hopefully be sanding and spraying some paint. So I just looked, we have like 3,800 subs on our channel. If we get to 5,000, what do you think?
Giveaway.
Maybe we'll give away some RG Farms swag,
Yeah.
some t-shirts, stickers, but hit the sub button, guys. Thanks for supporting the channel, and I hope you all have a good one. Bye.